Welcome to Best Quality.
Ten Best Welding Machine New Model 2022. We are going to check out top 10 best welding machine in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this welding machine, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Reboot Welder IGBT Inverter RBM-1550D Flux Core 110-220V Automatic Feed Digital Lift TIG Arc Stick MIG Welding Machine Solid Wire Gasless Supports 2 pounds 10 pounds %, 220 volt input and 180 amp output. Duty cycle 40% at 180A and 100% at 116A, 110 volt input and 140 amp output. Duty cycle 40% at 140A and 100% at 84A. 30A breaker suggested for 220V, 50A breaker suggested for 110V. Multi-use MIG stick gasless lift TIG stick WELDING 3.2mm rod 7018 and 1/83 very well, also 6013 and 7018 and 3/320.
Top 9.
Reboot MIG Welder Flux Core 5 and 1 110-220V MIG 155D gasless 155 amp spool gun available. Stick MIG TIG welding machine solid wire automatic feed inverter MMA arc welding multi-process MIG welding GAS flux core wire and GAS solid wire welding supports 2 pounds .030 or .040 wire to weld over .030 thickness carbon steel stainless steel mild steel. Duty cycle 80% at 140A and 100% at 120A, 220V 80% at 100A and 100% at 90A, 110V. Lift TIG welding, not high frequency TIG mode. Just switch to lift TIG on the panel and buy the WP17V TIG torch from our store. Please refer the number 4 picture to connect the torch. Spool gun available. This RBM-1550D can be connected to a spool torch. Spool gun not included, a handy accessory for welders who do not want to constantly change wire when welding. It is more convenient for welding.
Top 8.
Yeswelder 145A Arc MMA stick welder with lift TIG torch, digital display 110-220V dual voltage IGBT inverter welder built-in hot start arc force, stick MMA lift TIG 2-in-1 portable welding machine more powerful up to 145 more amps, ideal performance for most 6010, 6011, 6013 and 7018 rods. Lift TIG mode, come with WP17V gas valve lift TIG torch, simply touch the tungsten to the workpiece and lift off. It's like getting a TIG welder for free. Safety automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, overcurrent protection, overload protection, temperature control. Automatic hot start boosts the current during starting to provides easy, quick, and reliable arc starts. Auto adaptive arc force minimizes electrode sticking in the puddle without compromising arc stability or increased spatter.
Top 7.
Yeswelder Arc Welder 205 amp digital inverter IGBT stick MMA welder 110V 220V dual voltage hot start portable welding machine more powerful up to 205 more amps, ideal performance for most 6010, 6011, 6013 and 7018 rods. Safety automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, overcurrent protection, overload protection, temperature control. Automatic hot start boosts the current during starting to provides easy, quick, and reliable arc starts. Auto adaptive arc force minimizes electrode sticking in the puddle without compromising arc stability or increased spatter. Portable compact design weighing in at just under 10 lbs. 4.5 kilograms, so you can work smarter not harder by bringing the welder to the work, easier to carry and store. More powerful up to 145 more amps, ideal performance for most 6010, 6011, 6013 and 7018 rods. Lift TIG mode.
Top 6.
Welding machine 110V plug, 200 amp power, IGBT AC/DC beginner welder with display LCD use welding rod equipment tools accessories. Easy to weld arc welding machine is easy to use. Beginner can also operate well. Energy saving king whole day welding is no problem. Energy saving design, it is applicable for welding all kinds of ferrous metals such as carbon steel, medium carbon steel and alloy steel amongst others. Portable design, mini size, but big power. It's not just a welding machine, but a work of art. Satisfaction guaranteed. We offer 3 warranty and friendly customer service. About 65% 85% cycle. OEM and ODM contact us. We have much production experience, advanced technical service, excellent raw materials.
Top 5.
Welpro Digital TIG 200G DC 200 amp TIG stick welder with Pulse CK17 worldwide Superflex torch 3-year warranty, dual voltage 220V 110V welding machine. Weldpro's flagship 200 amp AC/DC TIG welder that goes beyond simply welding steel and aluminum. And now with a full 3-year warranty, the Model 200 is also a digital design TIG welder equipped with full function TIG welding features found on machines priced much higher. Start and end amps, upslope, downslope, fully adjustable pulse, AC balance, AC frequency. 2T4T excellent professional design rocker style foot pedal without annoying intermediate amperage control. And now available with the optional CK worldwide Superflex cable and flex head number 17F torch with independent trigger switch. Also
Top 4.
S7 TIG welder, HF TIG stick arc TIG welder 200 amp 110 and 220V dual voltage TIG welding machine, a TIG and arc strong point inverter, frequency up to 100 kHz. The welding speed is fast. The welding process is the best. This is optimized to deliver a flawless weld, making spatter and post-weld cleanup almost non-existent. Rated input frequency 50-60 Hz, duty cycle 85%, improves the performance of the welding machine. A feature TIG arc 2-in-1 TIG and arc welder with TIG torch, earth clamp, electrode holder, welding tong.
Top 3.
Stick welder ARC200D 110 220th dual voltage digital arc welding machine, ARC200D, nice to weld electrode E7018. The stick welding machine is dual voltage 110 220V. Automatic voltage conversion does not require manual operation. Connect the power plug to the 110V or 220V power source. The machine will automatically recognize the voltage. There is a 110 220V voltage indicator on the front panel of the machine. Clearly indicate the input voltage.
Top 2.
Wettles 110 220V stick welder, 160 AMMA arc welder machine, IGBT digital display LCD hot start welding machine with electrode holder, work clamp, input power adapter cable, brush smart IGBT inverter technology. Wettles MMA welder 160 amp is capable of welding mild steel, stainless steel and cast iron. The advanced IGBT power device with unique control mode improves the reliability and efficiency of welding machine. Good choice for D'ers, welding hobbyists and home maintenance chores by using 3/30 seconds -1/8, 2.5mm 3.2mm welding electrodes. Easy to use. Wettles arc welder machine adopts automatic shut-off protection mechanism that are set internally to prevent overheat, overcurrent, to make sure safely operation via indicating lights. The LCD display is easy to read, and this arc welder is so easy to use that it can be used by novice for practicing and for small welding operations to become a master welder.
Top 1.
Toliam 195A stick welder 110 220V dual voltage MMA welder digital display IGBT inverter hot start arc force anti-stick welding machine, fits 532 inches, 4mm, welding rods can handle E6010 cellulose electrode, ideal for below 5:30 seconds in. 4.0mm, welding rods. UP to 195A, applicable of welding mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel and cast iron. Built-in hot start make the arc strict easier. Anti-stick can remove the electrode from the workpiece easily. Arc force provides smoother welding and deeper penetration. Equipped with multiple protection functions such as overcurrent protection, overload protection, temperature control.
If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.